I'm here with Markus Lenz. He is the Director of Refrigeration and Integrated Products, and he will give us some insights on the new Copeland CO2 scroll refrigeration unit. Markus, before we go into detail, what is the rationale about the development of the units and which industry is this unit addressing?
Well, this new type of condensing units is addressing the food retail industry. The latest trends we see in this industry are size means small, green and smart. So size and compactness, because this addresses installations which are in urban areas where the people have space and noise constraints. Secondly, we have a green approach here because it applies the natural refrigerant, CO2, which also helps customers to reduce their CO2 footprint. And we have advanced smart control technologies which just not only enable the precise control of the unit, but also communication to the building management system.
Where do you see the units mainly applied to?
So this unit is targeting for food retail applications of small and medium-sized formats, which is mainly C-stores, discount formats and smaller supermarkets. It is supporting a decentralized refrigeration architecture where we can supply one or several units to fully cover the demand of a store.
What is so special about the unit? What are the benefits of the unit? Can you explain?
Yeah, so first of all, the unit is based on the latest CO2 scroll technology, applying dynamic vapor injection. And you can see already it's designed in a modular way, so it's very flexible. We are able to split the gas cooler part from the compressor part.
That is very interesting. So you can split the unit. What are the options for installation splits?
So you can see the design is made like in two boxes. The one box here on the left is the gas cooler. The box on the right is the compressor compartment. And it can be split right in the middle here. And then you have the option to put the one part inside the building and the other part outside the building, or both parts outside or both parts inside. Furthermore, on the gas cooler, we have the option to have a horizontal airflow like we see here, but you can also flip the gas cooler by 90 degrees so you can realize a vertical airflow. So this gives a lot of flexibility for all kinds of installation models.
That's really impressive. Talking about sound, this is a very important topic. How did you consider the noise aspect when you were developing the unit?
You name it, sound is increasingly important, especially in urban applications. And you can see here on the gas cooler, we applied the latest fan technology, which is EC fans, which operate rather efficiently, but also on a low noise level. We have these high diffusers, which is very special. And also we decided for a big fan diameter. This big fan diameter allows us to reduce the fan speed and also reduce the noise level of the unit. Then if we have a look at the heart of the system, the compressor compartment, we apply here, as we mentioned before, the new CO2 scroll compressors, which are mounted especially on an vibration absorption plate. And you can see the whole full compartment is insulated all around. In addition, we have to see that by nature, the scroll compression causes less vibration compared, for example, to a piston compressor.
So we talked about the compressor, we talked about insulation. How do you manage all the components inside the unit to enable a reliable and safe operation?
Yeah, especially for CO2 system, it's very important to have a close control of system components. For the lifetime of the compressor, it's especially important to manage the right level and temperature of oil. For this, we applied an oil separator and also an active oil management. Furthermore, we have the advanced electronics which help to manage the compressors to stay inside the application envelope of the compressor.
But how do you make sure that it's easy to operate for the installer?
Yeah, for this we follow the plug-and-play approach, which means inside the controller all parameters are already preset. So once the unit is powered on, it's ready to run.
Yeah, that sounds like a really well thought through and well engineered concept and product. Did you already try it out in the field? Do you have some experience there?
Since the beginning of this year, we started field testing several units in different applications, mainly food retail applications such as C-stores and also larger cold rooms. And we have not only condensing units in field application, but also centralized booster system. All of these field trials are monitored remotely, so we collect the data and analyze the data every day. And with a hot and long summer period, we are very happy this year to find a very smooth operation throughout the period.
Markus, that sounds like a very well thought through and well engineered solution. I'm looking forward to experience more about the new solution, and I would like to thank you for this interview.
Thank you, my pleasure.